Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix MSI Center if it is not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10. First, go to the Windows search bar, type Settings, and click on it to open the Settings app. Once the Settings window opens, look for Apps and click on it. Next, in the Apps section, you will see a search bar. Type MSI Center in the search bar. When the app appears in the results, click on it. After that, click on Advanced Options. In this menu, you will see several options to fix the app. The first thing you should try is the Repair button. Click on it to repair MSI Center. This will attempt to fix any issues without affecting your app data. If repairing the app does not solve the problem, the next step is to reset it. Click on the Reset button. Keep in mind that resetting will delete the app's data. If the app still does not work after resetting, the final step is to uninstall MSI Center. Once it is uninstalled, open Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, search for MSI Center and install it again. After the installation is complete, try opening MSI Center. Your issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.